Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be changing my license plate. These are the old ones. This is how it looks. These are bog standard. Show you the front ones. It's very slippy here. That's what it looks like on the front. So what I've decided to go for is 4D 9mm with a 3mm crystal gel, which is on the bottom. So it's all legal and everything. So should be alright. And yeah, you shall see them soon. I paid £145 with fitting, so it's not that bad. I'm gonna go pick them up later and I'll show you what they look like. Guys, I've finished getting the license plates. So these are the new license plates. It says who's GBP, who's money, Forex as well, you can call it. For it's a triple layer crystal, as you can see. So you got 3 layers there, and then you have the gel layer on top. I did want acrylic, but they gave it this, I guess. I'm not asked that much. So I got it done at number plate clinic in Bolton, as you can see just there. And I had to get these frame holders because these were too heavy apparently. And what the installer tried to do was try to scam me out of an extra £10, because the plate holders only cost £10 each. He tried charging me 30, but I showed him on the website, and then he said, okay, bring me £10 anytime you like. I was like, no, it costs £20, I'm not paying extra. Okay, so the way these plate holders work is they're held down by a screw. So all you do is lock in with the bottom there, with the screw at the bottom. Okay, so the only thing I noticed which is bad is there's a bit of a mark there, not been done properly there, but it's not that noticeable. But I'm really liking these plates. Look how nice they are. So it's like a crystal 4D effect. As you can see, you can see the glue a bit, which is a bit bad, but overall it's not that bad. Show you the back ones I mean. Let's see. Hope that's not glue. No, that's just water. Okay, there's the back ones. So it's like a 4D effect with 3 layers of crystals on the back. So at night time these do glow a bit because it is crystal, which is really good. And yeah, I paid £130 for the plates, the printing of it, £15 for fitting, and another £20 for the license plate holders. So that's my total. So yeah, I do like them. So yeah, but I wouldn't probably go back to number plate clinic in Bolton because of that dodgy installer they have. So yeah. Look, that's the back one. That's one.
Granite effect. It's like a granite effect.
Nice, isn't it? Yeah. Look from the side. It's 3 layers. It glows in the night. Nice, isn't it? Yeah. That looks nice. These look sick enough. Alright guys, so those were the different styles you can get, and that was the style I wanted, the 4D one that I showed you just then, the acrylic one, because I like that sharp look that he has, whereas this gel has like a soft look and I don't really like that much. But it did turn out alright, so I'm not too fussed about it. And these are just some before and after shots, and I'm going to show you up close what the glue looks like. How is, like, you can see all the glue, which isn't a good job. They should have probably done something about that, either give me some money back or fix it or something, I don't know. So my first experience with these guys is not the best, and yeah, it's just not the best. I did tell them a couple of times as well about to do acrylic. I even rang them up to make sure, and then when on delivery they had this came out like this. So it is what it is, guys. Probably won't be using these guys again. My 2 options were this company and Utopia plates, because they're both about the same amount of drive away from me, which is about 2-hour drive. Like, I'm in the middle of both of these places, so 2-hour drive either way. So I chose these guys. So for my next plates I'm going to go for Utopia plates. because they have very good reviews, so go for them next. And yeah, you shall see them. Tell me what you think about the plates and stuff. And yeah, these are road legal. Well, that's what I've been told anyway, and I've been past a lot of police and stuff, and nobody's said anything, nobody's done anything, so we should be okay with these plates because they do follow the DVLA guideline. And yeah, that's the main reason I didn't get any colour on it. I just got the clear crystal one. Otherwise I would have gone for the neon blue because I really did like that colour. So yeah, and these are the plates. They're all £10 each, plate holders I mean. So obviously you can see the guy's trying to rip me off, wasn't it? Yeah, thank you guys for watching anyway, guys. Yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.